Sundial. Hello, class. Our activity for today is about the most important source of heat and light to us. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's the sun. Aside from heat and light energy, the sun was also essential in telling time in ancient times. Are you aware of that? Today, we will make our own sundial. It is the earliest kind of timekeeping device. It determines time by measuring the shadow cast by an object that is under direct sunlight. In this activity, you will need your pencil and notebook, illustration board, modeling clay, glue, clock pattern sheet, crayons, markers, or paint, drawing compass, scissors, and a directional compass. Prepare all the materials and paste the clock pattern sheet on the center of the illustration board. Cut the illustration board along the edges of the clock pattern sheet. Using the drawing compass, look for the center of the circle and mark it. Condition, flatten, and place the modeling clay on this mark. Put the pencil in the middle of the clay. This will be the shadow stick or gnomon of your sundial. You may add more clay to support the pencil. Using crayons, markers, or paint, design and decorate your sundial. Once you're done making the sundial, bring it outside. Place it in an area where it can be completely illuminated by the sun. Make sure that the number 12 on the clock is placed towards the north to get the current time. To help us locate the north, we will use a compass. You can read time using a sundial in the same way as you read time on a normal clock. The difference is that the sundial has only one hand, which is the shadow that it casts where the hour lines are drawn. The shadow marks the hour and there's no hand for the minute. At 9 a.m. in the morning, go outside and try to look at the shadow cast by the pencil. At 3 in the afternoon, go outside and look at the shadow cast by the pencil. Compare the shadows formed at 9 a.m. and at 3 p.m. Now, let's try to answer these questions. 1. What time does your sundial show? What time does your watch show? Are they the same? 2. At what time of the day does the shadow become the longest? What about the shortest? Why is this so? 3. How does the sun help in telling the time? And 4. Why does the sun change position during the day? We will discuss your findings when we come back tomorrow.